Hey guys, sunset is done. Everything done pedaling. Everything is done, guys. Now exiting the beach. Let's go and see. Let's have some food or something. And now going to explore a new restaurant where I haven't been before. So let's go. Oh, my RGB light is back. I bought the RGB light today so that I can beach dog sleeping. There's like 4 beach dogs here, all sleeping. Super duper chill out in the beach. Yeah, they digged like a sand bed and then sleeping in. Super lazy beach dogs. Today the restaurant I want to explore is on the Seagull Road, Seagull Hotel Road. If you go like facing the Seagull Hotel from the beach and then take the left hand side, on that side of the road I saw some restaurants before, but I don't know if all of them are open or not. So let's go and see. Here is a Bangladesh Army Resort, Army Welfare Trust Rest House, but probably barbecue is open for everyone. Guess what? Handy Restaurant have a branch in Cox'S Bazar. I haven't seen it before. This is the first time I'm seeing it. I always eat for Handy. If you guys see in my Facebook page, you guys will see I always eat from Handy Restaurant here, from the Gulshan Avenue one. But there is one in Cox'S Bazar as well. So let's go there, and if I don't see any better restaurant, then probably will come back to Handy. And this is a this is a shell market, or in Bengali Jhinuk umbrella market.